Good morning students. Students, I am Sanjeevani Pandey. I am a maths teacher. Ma'am Namrata has explained you chapter first. So today we are going to begin with the chapter second, which is fractions and decimals. Okay. So first of all, what is fractions? So students, fractions means if we are doing parts of something. Okay. If we are doing parts of something, so it will be known as fractions. It gets into fractions. Okay. So if you are doing part of something, means if you have a chocolate, if you want to share with your friends, and you are doing 4 parts of it, 4 equal parts of it. So first part will be 1/4 of the whole chocolate. Second part will also be 1/4 of the whole chocolate, and third part is also, and fourth part is also. Okay. So in this way, if we are doing equal parts of a chocolate, so it will be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Okay. Now I am asking you that how much part of the chocolate you ate. Okay. So you will reply that you ate 1/4 part of whole chocolate. Okay. 1 part of the chocolate. Getting my point? Now students, 1/4 is nothing but a fraction. 1/4 is nothing but a fraction. Now in fractions, the upper part is known as numerator. Means 1 is known as, it is in numerator. And the bottom part is known as denominator. Getting my point? Numerator and denominator. So we can say that fraction is a combination of numerator and denominator. Getting my point? Now students, if I am asking you that if you have done your question paper in the exams, half part of the question paper, or there is 100 questions in the question paper, 100 questions in the question paper, and you have done 50 questions. Okay, 50 questions done by you. Okay. Now I am asking you that how much part of the question paper you have done. So you will reply that I have done 50 upon 100 part. Means whole part will come in the denominator and the part you have done will come in the numerator. Getting my point? So 50 upon 100 part will be done by you. Okay. So it is nothing but a 0 will cancel 0, and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So you have done half part of the question paper. Understood everyone? What I told you that whole part will come in the denominator and the part done by you will come in the numerator. So it is nothing but the half part of the question paper. So in this way the fractions will define. Got it? Now this is the concept of numerator and denominator. Fraction is the combination of numerator and denominator, and fractions tells us how much part of the whole, how much part of the total. Understood? Now if I am saying that you have to add 2 natural numbers or whole numbers. Okay. If you want to add natural numbers and whole numbers, so you can add easily. If I am saying that you have to add 99 with 100, so you will reply that it will be 199. It will be very easy for you. But I am saying that you have to add 2 fractions. So if you have to add 1/2 with 3/4, okay. So 1/2 will be added to 3/4. But how it will be added to this? It will be added to this by taking LCM of the denominator. Why we are taking LCM, students? Because we have to make the same. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. These are like fractions. 2 by 8, 7 by 8. So, denominator of both the fractions are equal. So, we can see that this is like fractions. Now, we have to make it the like fractions, because if it is like fractions, so if I want to add this, so 7 plus 2 will give me 9, 9 upon 10. So this will be our answer. And in this, 2 plus 1 will give you 3, 3 upon 4. So this will be our answer. So it will be easy for us to add like fractions. So to make like fractions, what we will have to do? We will have to take the LCM. Got it? So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. To make the LCM of this, we will make it as a like fractions. Okay? So LCM of the denominator will be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Got it? We will start by taking LCM by smaller number. Okay? So 2 ones are 2. So the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay? So put LCM in the denominator. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay? It is 2 twos are 4. So 4 is 2 times of 2. So it will be multiplied here in the denominator, and if I am multiplying 2 in the denominator, so we will also have to multiply it into the numerator. Okay? So 3 by 4. Now it is 4 ones are 4. So we will have to multiply only 1 in the numerator and the denominator. Getting my point? What we have done? We took LCM of this 2 and 4 and we put it into the denominator, and by putting it into the denominator, we look as that 2 twos are 4. It is 2 times of 2, which will give you 4. So multiply that 2 in the denominator. If we are multiplying 2 in the denominator, so we will also have to multiply it into the numerator. So it will give us 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3. So it will give us 5 upon 4. So this will be a required answer. Getting my point? First of all, we will have to make the like fractions, then only we can add them. Understood? Now students, let's start exercise 2.1. Okay? In exercise 2.1, in first question, there we have to add or subtract fractions. Okay? So first question of this is, solve. Okay? First, 2 minus 3 upon 5. Okay? So what I told you, we have to make it the like fractions. So in the denominator of second fraction there is 5, but in the first fraction there is no number in the denominator. So if there is no number in the denominator, so put 1 here. Got it? Now LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5. 1, 5 ones are 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5 ones are 5. 1 into 5 will give you 5. Okay? So LCM of 1 and 5 will give you 5. Now LCM is 5. So how many times we have to multiply 1 to get 5? We have to multiply with 5 to get 5 in the 1. Okay? So if I am multiplying 5 in the denominator, so we also have to multiply it into the numerator. So into 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. So multiply 1 in this fraction. 1 upon 1. Okay. So 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 ones are 3. Now it will come in the same denominator. 5 ones are 5. So 10 minus 3 will give you 7. So 7 upon 5 will be your answer. Understood everyone? Now we will solve third question. Second question is same. We will solve third question. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Okay. Now first of all, to make it into the like fractions, we will have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. Okay. So 5 and 7. So start with 2. There is no even number, so we can't divide by 2. So 5 ones are 5 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. So LCM will be 5 into 7. It will give 35. Now, how many times we have to multiply 5 to get 35? Yes, 5 7s are 35. So multiply that 7 in the denominator. So if I am multiplying it into the denominator, we have to multiply it into the numerator also. So 3 upon 5 into 7 into 7 plus 2 upon 7. 7 5s are 35. So multiply that 5 in the denominator and numerator both. Okay. So 7 3s are 21 upon 35 plus 5 2s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now these fractions become like fractions. Their denominators are equal. So we can add easily. 21 plus 10 upon 35. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 31 upon 35. So this will be our answer. Got it? Now these are the questions for addition and subtraction. Okay. Now let's start exercise. Let's start question number second. Okay. In question number second, arrange the following in ascending order. We have to arrange these fractions in descending order. What is descending order? Means in descending order, we have to put largest value first, then smaller values. Okay. Means if there is 2, 4, 6. So if I have to arrange these natural numbers in descending order, so first I will put 6. Then 4, then 2. So this will be the descending order of these natural numbers. Okay. Now, if I have to arrange the fractions, so how will we will solve these questions? How will we arrange these questions? We can arrange by making them like fractions. Okay. See how? 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. Okay. Now by making them like fractions, we can easily determine its descending order. We can easily arrange it in descending order. Got it? Now to make them like fractions, what we can do? Tell me. Yes, we can take their LCM. We can make their denominator equal. Okay. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is, start with 3 because there is no even number. So we can't start with 2. So start with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, 1, 7. Now 7. 1, 1, 7. 7 1s are 7. So 3 into 3 into 7. It will give you 7 3s are 21 and 21 3s are 63. Got it? So 63 will be the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Okay? So take this fraction. 9 7. 9 sevens are 63. So we can multiply 7 to get 63 because we have to make the like fraction. So we have to make the denominator equal. So to make the denominator equal, we have to multiply these denominators with the number so that we get that LCM number. Okay. So take this fraction 2 by 9. So multiply with 7. So 9 sevens are 63 and 7 twos are 40. Got it? Now take second fraction. 2 by 3 into. What number we have to multiply to get 63? You can see here also. 7 3s are 21, 21 3s are 63. So we have to multiply with 21. Okay? So 21 twos are 42. 21 3s are 63. Understood everyone? Now third fraction. 8 upon 21 into 7 3s are 21 and 21 3s are 63. So 21 3s are. So we have to multiply with 3. So 88 3s are 24 and 21 3s are 63. So 14 upon 63. We got 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. Now they are like fractions because their denominators are same. So arrange their numerator. Okay. So what is the largest value of the numerator? 42. Okay. 42 is greater than 24 then 14. Okay. So we can arrange it in the descending order. So 42 upon 63 will come first, then 24 upon 63, then 14 upon 63. So what is the original value of this 42 upon 63? The original value of 42 upon 63 was 2 upon 3. So it will come first. Then what is the original value of 24 upon 3? Yes, it is 8 upon 21. Now the original value of 14 upon 63 is 2 upon 9. So this is the descending arrangement of these fractions. Understood everyone? So this will be our answer. I hope you understood the things, how to add and subtract fractions and how to arrange it in descending order. Okay. So rest of the questions are your homework. Okay. Thank you.